Hey everyone, grab your Metro card and let's move out and see Doha. The first thing is we take Metro and we go to the next metro station and we start exploring Doha. So the first place I was walking around alone was this is called Crystal City. It's in some place in a place called Russell, yeah, is it? Yeah, I still remember the name. It's Russell, and I don't remember the actual metro station. I could have given you, but the place is so nice. It's so calm, especially the fact that I was there during winter. It was so nice because it was not hot. The next place I had to jump to it was Flag Plaza. Now this place, it's full of so many flags. I don't know how many flags are there, but they represent so many countries. And the first thing I did when I came here was to try and find the Kenyan flag. So it was like flag hunt. You know, when you see all these flags, you try and find where you belong. You try and locate yourself. So it was flag hunt until I spotted our Kenyan flag somewhere at the corner. Yes. Was almost at the middle. And you know, so many flags usually have the red, black, and green. But yeah, this is the most beautiful flag in the world. Yeah, Kenyan flag next to Ugandan flag there. The rest I don't know them. Oh yeah, that's Ghana, the one with the big star. After that, I went to. I don't know. This place is supposed to be called Cornish or it's supposed to be Marina. Okay, I'll give it. I'll give it a name. It's a Katal Marina. I just gave it the name because I don't remember very well. But I alighted from National Museum, Katal National Museum. So that's metro station. It's on the Gold Line, and then from that place I walked all the way from Qatar National Museum. I crossed the road. I went to the Flag Plaza, like I showed you. From the Flag Plaza, so I came to this place that I just given a name. I just gave it a name. It's Marina, yeah, Qatar Marina. It's so beautiful, full of containers, and I was with my cousin and a friend of mine, and they told me these containers were supposed to be shipped somewhere in Africa after World Cup. And yeah, there was a long story about it. It was late in the evening. It was almost sunset. I had to take some few sunset photos, and if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, for sure you have seen those pictures. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. I had to seize the sunset moment. And then as I walked in this place, it's such a nice place, especially if you come in the evening. That is before sunset. The buildings, the colors, there's something about human eye and different colors, and then it's complemented by the green, yeah, which it's life. It gives you life. So imagine yourself walking in this place. It gives you that beautiful cinematic look in the evening, and it's very relaxing with the breeze. Look at that, cinematic, beautiful. Look at the city skyline on the other side, and on the other side the green glass and the beautiful houses with different colors. It's just beautiful. And let me take you back. Before I came here around 12 o'clock, I was in another place and I used different. So let me show you something very interesting here in Qatar. You see these bikes here. These are electric bike. Okay, this bike, you leave them here. They are a kind of rental, so you can come and take. You need to have an application. You just scan and you use the bike, then you can drop it off on the next station where you're going. So yeah, those are like e-bikes. And this place is called Cornish. Came to Cornish metro station. The sun is so hot. Okay, it's not hot, but at least it's harsh. So that's it. So if you are looking to rent a bike to move around the city, just come and take the bike and you're good. So let's go back to the metro and see what's on the other station. Yes, and that was it. This place was so beautiful. It was, now this metro station specifically, this one is called Cornish. There's this tunnel with so many umbrellas, and I think these are like pots. There were so many doves and so many cats, and these are places that I can spend a lot of time because yeah, I love cats. I love cats a lot. So there was a million cats, and yeah, I just love the place. And like I said, colors, there's something about human eyes and colors. So that's how I spent my afternoon before I went to the Cornish for the sunset, and the place was just beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and let me see you on the next video. Goodbye.